What's up everyone? Just finished the window regulator project and I'm quickly jumping into the BMW's engine bay. I've had this coolant problem I've been wanting to take care of for weeks now. Finally, we got some nice weather, so I'm gonna tackle it. Let me show you guys what's going on. Down there, we have a sensor that is leaking coolant. There's a bad washer. Of course, it's not focusing for me, but you can see it down there. You can see the coolant right down there. So I bought a new plug, so I'm gonna pull that thing out. That is low compared to all the other coolant running around in the engine bay. So if you pull it out with a full reservoir of coolant, it's gonna splash all over the place. So I would recommend draining your coolant if you can. I'm pretty sure my coolant level is very low because this thing does leak coolant. Oh, so that's terrible, it's full. Okay, so I'm gonna have to drain my coolant to make this happen. That's no problem. The drain is right down here. If I'm not mistaken, that is the drain right there, that blue bolt, that plastic bolt, don't know why it's plastic. So we're gonna pull out the old sensor and we're gonna pop the new one in. I know you guys can't really see what's going on here. It's tough to get a good angle. And lastly, you wanna put the plug into the sensor. Now I'm just gonna add some antifreeze back in. All right, so the regulator is on and working. The coolant is no longer leaking. It was a great day for the BMW, but I just got a call from my friend that the UFC card is starting early tonight. So that means I got to depart, leave my little chicken head right here. And I'm gonna take off. So I was gonna do a full day filming with the BMW, but we'll save that for next time. Thank you guys for tuning in, I appreciate it. Sorry I haven't posted in so long. I'm not gonna lie and say I've been so busy, but I have been taking care of some other things. Thank you for staying tuned, and I will see you in the next one.